Hello students, good morning. Today we shall begin a new lesson. Lesson number 14, adverbs. So adverbs, what are these adverbs called as here? First you read this. Read the sentences given below. So read the given sentences. First you have, how does the tortoise move? A question is asked and asked. How does the tortoise move? The girl replies, it crawls slowly. Okay, the next question. How does the boy run? Then the boy runs quickly. How does the sun shines? It shines brightly. Okay, so once again, how does the tortoise move? It crawls slowly. So this word slowly is called as a adverb. Okay, how does the tortoise move? The tortoise crawls. If you say this much also, the sentence is correct. But once you say slowly, it is a verb, adverb that you have added. Okay, if there is no adverb also, your sentence is correct. If you say it crawls, the sentence is correct. But here another word is used, slowly. Okay, so it crawls slowly. So how the tortoise walks? It crawls slowly. So this word slowly is called as a adverb. Add. For example, add means adding sugar to the tea. So tea you can have without sugar also, no? Plainly you can have. But how you want a sweet tea. That's why you are adding sugar. Then we add salt to the food. We add oil while preparing food. So like that. So once we can prepare vegetable without oil also, without salt also, without sugar also. But in order to bring more taste, we add all those things. In the same way, in order to explain and to give clarity, okay, about telling something, okay, about while explaining something, these adverbs helps a lot. Okay, now here see, second question. How does the boy run? Okay, if you had to say the boy runs, okay, the boy runs. The sentence is correct. But we are mentioning how the boy is running. The boy runs quickly. The boy runs very fast. The boy runs very strongly. So all these are called as adverbs. You are adding the verbs. You are adding the word to explain how the person is running. Okay, you are mentioning there. The boy runs quickly. Then third one. How does the sun shines? It shines brightly. The sun shines brightly. Okay, if you had to say the sun shines, it's a correct sentence. It's correct. Okay, but once you say the sun shines brightly, you are adding a adverb. This brightly, quickly, slowly are the adverbs. Then here there is a note. This note is very important, children. Then most adverbs end in ly. So as I was telling, crawls slowly, ly is there. Here see, ly is there. Then quickly, again ly is there. And shines brightly, again ly is there. So mostly the adverbs end with ly. We often make an adverb by adding ly to an adjective. So adjective slowly, then shining, okay, then you have here quickly, brightly. So all these are in a way slow, quick, shine, bright, all these are adjectives. But once you add ly, it becomes adverb. Okay, remember that. It becomes adverb. We often make an adverb by adding ly to an adjective. For examples, here it is given. This is the adjectives. This is the adverbs. Okay, then you have here sad, sadly. So sad is a adjective. So sad also is a action word. It's like explaining how the person feels at that moment. Okay, so it's a adjective. But once you add ly, it becomes adverb. Sad, sadly. Clever, cleverly. Bold, boldly. Wise, wisely. Beautiful, beautifully. Okay, so like that. Once you add ly, it becomes adverbs. Here, how does Aditya write? Aditya writes neatly. Okay, so ly, once ly is used, it becomes adverbs. The words slowly, brightly, quickly and neatly show how the action is done. Okay, so the how the action is done, it is explained in a deeper way. They tell us more about verbs. So you have verbs, okay, how the verbs are explained, it is through adverbs. Okay, they are called adverbs. Okay, they tell us more about verbs. They are called adverbs. So say it again. The words slowly, brightly, quickly and neatly show how the action is done. They tell us more about verbs. They are called adverbs. Then next you have exercise 1. Fill in the blanks choosing words from the box. One has been done for you. Here see. Playfully, sweetly, softly, happily, brightly, loudly. So the star shines brightly. So at night you can see the stars are shining in the sky. So they are shining. How they are shining? They are shining brightly. So this word is used, brightly. The wind blows. Okay, so the wind blows softly. Okay, softly. The wind blows softly. Okay, softly. Then Raja jumps. Raja jumps loudly. Loudly. He makes sound and he jumps. She sings loudly. She sings sweetly. Okay, she sings sweetly. The fans cheered happily. Happily. Okay, then the puppy chases the ball playfully. Playfully. Okay, so repeat again. The stars shine brightly. The wind blows softly. Raja jumps loudly. She sings sweetly. The fan cheered happily. The puppy chases the ball playfully. Okay, now here you have exercise number 2. Circle the adverbs and underline the word it is describing. One has been done for you. I accidentally spilled water on the table. Okay, circle the verbs and underline the word it is describing. Okay, here it is given. I accidentally. Accidentally is a adverb. ly is the accidentally. Spilled is a describing word. Word which is described. Accidentally spilled. Okay, then Sam politely. Politely is a adverb. Okay, then bowed is a describing word to his grandparents. Sam politely bowed to his grandparents. We patiently waited for our turn to go on the ride. So patiently is a adverb. Waited is a describing word. So how they waited? Patiently they waited. The ants busily gathered food for the winter. The ants busily, and gathered is a describing word. So how they, if you say the ants gathered food for the winter, that is also a correct sentence. But how they gathered is the important thing, that is busily. So how they gathered? Busily they gathered. So this busily word is a adverb. Then she danced beautifully to the song. So beautifully is a adverb. Beautiful is a adverb. Danced. She danced. Danced is a describing word. The knight fought bravely and won the battle. How they fought? Bravely. And this is the fought is a describing word. Then the koala lived lazily around a tree branch. So lazily is a adverb. Lied. Okay, lied is a describing word. The koala lived lazily around a tree branch. Then next exercise number 3. Look at the pictures. Circle the adverb that completes each of the sentences. Okay, you have to circle the adverb that completes the sentences. The tortoise walked. So how it walked? Loudly, gladly, slowly. Which is the correct adverb that suits to this sentence? Is slowly. Okay, the tortoise slowly walked. Okay, or the tortoise walked slowly. The dog barked loudly. Okay, he laughed happily. They talked freely. So which sentence you feel it is suitable for this? You have to circle. Now this following exercises you have to complete them on your grammar notebook. Okay, first complete them on your exercise book. This is the textbook, and then write them on your notebook also. You have to just write this note on your notebook. Okay, on your grammar notebook write this note. First you write the heading of the chapter number 14, adverbs. Then you write the note which is there. This most adverbs end in ly. We often make an adverb by adding ly to an adjectives. Then in these examples you will write adjectives and adverbs. And then you write these exercises on your grammar notebook. So study well. Bye.